Hello! Today I'm really happy to share with you a short and sweet mom and baby yoga sequence. In this sequence, we're going to sing. Remember, baby loves to hear your voice. So even if you feel you don't have a nice singing voice, I don't worry, baby will love to hear you. So sing as loud as you can, and baby will really enjoy it. Here with me, I have baby lion. He's going to help to show the sequence. Now, baby lion does exactly as I do and doesn't fight back, but baby at home might fight you. Remember that for baby yoga, we're inviting baby. But if baby doesn't feel like it, we can change it or we can try it at a different time. So, if you're ready, let's practice together. Bring your baby right in front of you. You may want to have a blanket, a cozy blanket for baby. If you have a cushion nearby, grab it. We're going to sit, open legs V shape, and the cushion helps to keep spine elongated. So if you sit right on the cushion, just right under your sit bones, it will help you to keep a straight back and good posture. Now, if this is not feeling so good right now for you, you may want to bend your legs a little bit and practice this way. So from here, with a straight back, we have baby right in front of us. Bring your hands to the side. Baby's like movement, so if you wiggle your fingers from here, it's going to be great. Let's sing together. Rain is falling down, splash, tickle baby. Rain is falling down, splash. Here and there and everywhere. Rain is falling down. Keeping your back straight, let's have some movement for baby. Invite baby to leave hands up and down. If baby doesn't really want to extend arms up, you could massage baby's armpit. They're not really ticklish, and this will encourage baby lifting both hands up. Grabbing baby's hands, we sing, rain is falling down, splash. Rain is falling down, splash. Now grab baby's hand and foot on both sides. Here and there and everywhere, rain is falling down, splash. And let baby's arms and hands go. That's the rain. Now let's see how the sunshine feels. There is always sunshine after the rain. So let's sing for that beautiful sunshine. Bring your feet to the ground. Your legs are bent. Place baby on top of your shins. Hold baby with both hands. Make sure there is nothing behind you and slowly lower all the way down. We will move from side to side as we sing. Sun is shining now. Coming back to center, bring your legs closer and lift your head to kiss baby. It is sunshine. Rain is falling down. Sunshine. Sun is shining now. Kiss for sunshine. Holding baby, slightly move your legs away and closer. Let's sing here and there and everywhere. Sun is shining now. And one last kiss for baby. I hope you enjoyed this short mama and baby sequence. See you next time.